My musical foundation was the Beatles. Everything I know about playing guitar and song structure, composition, all of it, it all started with the Beatles.
I like the chandelier too, man. It's a nice touch.
Yeah, so we don't know what we're doing, so we can just do anything.
Just, yeah.
To start with.
I think he knows how you feel when you play with him. I don't know, I can't really describe it. I dropped from the most nervous I've ever been down to like, oh, this is okay.
Won't you set me free? Let me be.
About halfway through the session, I kind of looked over at Chris when we were playing and we were going for it. And Chris was moving the way he used to move and you were getting into it and I was playing and I thought, oh my God, this is like Nirvana. And then, wait, Paul McCartney's here?
This is the best way to make records, when you get people in a room together and you don't know what's going to happen. You just hit record and keep your fingers crossed that it's going to explode.
The limitations of this, it forces you to make decisions based on what's most important to translating that song.
If we start.
One of the things I think that makes good music is some sort of restriction. And then you want to go to, and then go into the...
And that's where 24-track mentality comes in. You commit to what it is. With Pro Tools, you can always come back to it, or you can change it, or you can add to it to try and make it work, because you're not being forced to make choices, creative ones.
Maybe then go to the A. We don't know what's gonna come on top of this, but something is that we'll find out later, and then go to the riff. Breakdown, like the intro.
And I think you should go to that A maybe one more time. It's such a lift.
Yeah.
After staying in that D for so long, it just has such a great impact when it goes up there. And it's so quick, it's just 4 times through.
There's vocals in the room, isn't there? Yeah. So if it's live,
that's all right.
There's no overdubbing.
No, we're still...
Do it. Make it simple. Make it fast. Don't overthink it. Let it come straight out of you and do it.
Set me free. magical.
You didn't even know what the hell you're doing, but it's genius.
Exactly.
That's my autobiography.
I didn't know what the hell I was doing.
wasn't thinking. The Chris Novoselic story.
What was it thinking?
No, I wasn't thinking. That's the
There's a lift there.
Yeah, it's
It'd
cool.
be nice if there's a sort of...
Yeah.
Maybe even if it came after the lift. You let the lift happen, and then take it further with a chord, vocal chord.
Yeah.
Whatever the few of us. Who sings? You do?
Me?
I do.
You?
Chris?
No.
Guys? No. I just
How long do you
checking.
want to be here?
definitive
Are you
no.
double part?
Just checking. So let's just try it, and then you tell us what's wrong with it.
Yeah, Butch, tell Paul McCartney what to do.
Sounds pretty cool.
I love it. Should we do it in the other section too?
Okay.
Why can't it always be this easy?
It is.
Getting a chance to play music with a person that is the reason why I'm a musician, and recording through the board, that's the reason why I'm here today. It was a huge full circle moment for me.
I think it's really important, and it's a lesson I didn't learn until in my late teens, is that whatever bands that you love, go find out what bands they loved and what bands turned them on. And then you really start getting into the human aspect of it, because the further back you go in time, the less technology you had. And consequently, the better records that you had. There's this incredible library of music, thank God, that is still there.
True to yourself and make the music that you love. Go out and play, turn people onto your music, spread it yourself. Don't think it happens any other way.
Let's rock, let's play, let's record, let's play it back. Wait till you hear this. I can't wait to get in my car to hear it. I'm gonna play it for my friend. I'm making a copy. I'm gonna blast it for fucking 10 hours, and I'm gonna listen to it.